Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on building a directory website using Divi 5 theme and GeoDirectory. In the previous video, we created the single listing details page. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a stunning hero section for your join page, and then show how to set up GeoDirectory Pricing Manager add-ons to create both free and premium membership packages. Just like we have created in this website, this join page type, it has packages. And according to the packages, there is a free one and a premier one. Depending on the packages, it will go to that join page, right? Like our add listing page looks something like this right now. This is basic. We will design this as well in our upcoming video. And before the add listing form, we will create this join page so that the business owner can think carefully and add their business listing according to the packages through this add listing form, which will be made from GeoDirectory, right? And designed with the Divi 5 theme. So let's get started. First, we have to come to the dashboard, WordPress. Then we have to click on Pages and click on Add New Page. Then we will name the page Join Page. Right? Join or membership, whatever it is, we will keep it as Join. After that, we will publish it. After publishing, we will click on Use Divi Builder so that we can design it using the Divi 5 theme in this type of format, like a landing page. Right, first, what we have to do is click on this plus icon and take a full container. Then we have to open the layer in this section here. In this section, we will add a background image just like it is added here. Right? We will click on the background and select the image here to add the image to the background. We will add this image. After that, we will add a heading block on top of it. Then we will write here, join our buddy directory listing option. We will write something like this. To design it a bit, we come to design. Going into heading text and clicking on H2, we will make the heading font Poppins. We will make the font weight semi-bold. We will center align it and make the color white. We will make the size 40 from here, right? And below this, we can also write a small description. So we click on this, add an element, go below, and take a text block here, which will be dummy text. Now we come to its design, and in text, we will also make its font Poppins. We will make the font family and color white and keep the size at 14, and we will center the alignment. Below this, we will add a button. Clicking on the plus icon, we take a container in which we will add the button. Right? Let's do one thing. No need to take a new column. We will drag it and put it below this text, and we can also delete this row from here. We will click on this button. Let's name it Join. Right? And then we come to its design. Coming to layout, we will center its alignment. We will center this too, and come to this alignment and make it center alignment. Right? The text color is dark. We'll come to the button style. We will make the button's background color orange. We can also make it white. We will make it orange. And we can also give a border radius to the border color. Like, let's make it 6 from all sides. And we will give a border color. We will give the border color of the same orange type. Right? For this, we have to come back to this background and copy the color code. And then clicking on border, we will paste this color code into the border color. Right? And we will come to spacing. We will give 12 pixels of padding from the top and bottom. link it and make it 24 pixels on both sides, right? We will have to give more than this. Let's make it 36. And from the top, we will make it 8 pixels, right? And we will make the button text color white. So it is already white. It is not becoming white. So we will make it white again. Yes, this has to be made white by default, right? It's done. Now what we do is add an ID to this button link through which clicking on it will scroll down to the packages, right? We will add it later. So our hero section is ready, right? Now what we do is add a divider below this heading. It will look good for the design. Then we will write divider here and it will appear. Look here, the divider has appeared. We come to its color design. Coming to sizing, we will make its divider width 2 pixels and we can give the width 50%. Right? Making it 50%, we center the alignment and its color we will make white. Then we save it once. After saving, we will preview this page and see. Look guys, it looks something like this. We will give a little padding from the top and bottom. We come to this section, come to spacing. Let's say 10 pixels and link it. This has become from the right, so it has become a margin. We give 100 pixels padding from the top and bottom. Then we will link it and save it. Then we will preview it. So look, it looks like this. It is turning out very well. Now let's exit the preview and return to the design. Next, what we will do is create packages similar to the ones we have already set up. Okay, so here what we will do is we will add a new section here. We will include a heading in this section in which the heading will be, we will change the name of this heading to this. Okay, then we will come to its design. Coming to the heading text, we will set its alignment to center and make it semi-bold. The font weight is fine. After that, we are going to create 2 packages below this. So to create 2 packages, we first need to create the 2 packages in the back end. For that, we will have to go back into the WordPress dashboard. Then, for the GeoDirectory extension, there is a plugin for the packages settings. Okay, you need to add that plugin, which we have already added, and its name is Pricing Manager. Okay, so you need to activate this extension. Okay, after that, you need to go into the settings of the CPT where you want to add the packages. Meaning the CPT related to which the business owner will add the listing. Then there will be a Packages tab. By clicking on Packages, we will create 2 or 3 packages according to the requirements. We will show those same packages in this join form through which they will be able to add a listing. Okay, we will show you step by step. So let's quickly add the packages one by one. Okay, by clicking on Add New, we will create another package. We have named it Premium. We have also added the premium title. We have also added the price. It will be $100, and we have turned on the monthly 1-month recurring option here. After that, we will activate this. Then we will click on Save It. Okay, guys, now let's come to our packages. Let's refresh it to see that 2 packages have been added. One is free and one is premium. You can also change the name by editing them, but right now I will keep it like this. So our packages are ready. That's all for today. In this video, we've successfully created the hero section and configured our GeoDirectory membership packages. In next part, we will show how to designing package cards. and how to linking each package to the correct pricing package. We also provide directory website development services. If you need a customized solution for your directory website, we're here to help. You can hire us at buddydevelopers.com. You can also follow us on our other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.